Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of OpenCV, I am going to discuss some shapes using OpenCV. In the previous lecture, in the previous video, I have discussed 7 programs till now, and I hope you have watched those videos in this series. If you have not watched the previous lectures, I will recommend you to watch them because each and every lecture is in continuation. Right now, I'm going to start the concept of shapes using OpenCV. So if you want to draw some geometrical shapes on the images using Python OpenCV module, so you can do that also. So let's start. I'm just importing CV2 and I'm importing numpy as np. No, so here we are using the numpy module also, and let's see how we will be using it. And I'm using the imread like the lena.jpg, the image which we are having right now. So as I told you, you can use whichever image you like. Now here I'm using the line command, line function actually, which is present in the OpenCV module. I want to draw the line on the image. See, you can see there the tooltip is coming where image is highlighted. Image, comma, pt1, pt2, color, thickness, line type, and shift. These are many attributes which are given here for the line function. So just see them. And now here you can see the image. This I am passing that which particular image we want to use. So the image variable which we have taken. So lena.jpg is there. Then the point one, basically that is the coordinate one. I want to start with the 0,0 coordinate, and then I'm just taking 255,255, that is the ending coordinate till where the line will be drawn. Then I'm just taking some random values. Now for the color, we will be taking obviously the BGR, that is the blue, green, red format, because here in the case of OpenCV, RGB is not used, BGR is used, that is the reverse of RGB. So BGR we will be giving 0,255,0 I have given, that means G, that is green, because 0 I have kept like for the B for the blue, and G is 255 and 0 then again for the red. Then here I am taking 10, that is the thickness of the line. So the thickness of the line I have given 10, that will be the width actually. Then here I am taking cv2.im show simply, and the image, the frame we are creating image, and the img, the image which we have taken. Then cv2 dot weight is 0, and cv2 dot destroy all windows. So these things, if you are watching this video directly, so make sure that if you are not understanding, you have to watch the previous lectures, because in this video I am concerning this line function and all. So basically the shapes which are possible in OpenCV, all the rest things I have discussed in the previous videos. And here you can see the line is drawn now here from the 00 coordinates to 255, 255. That is the ending coordinate 255, 255 which we have given, and a line is drawn for that particular length and direction actually. So like the coordinate 0001, accordingly it's taking till 255, 255 this way. Now I'm just going to create some more shapes here only in the same code, same program, and I'll be just commenting out the ones which we have done. So here I'm using arrowed line. So arrowed line is one more function there which you can use. It's not necessary to comment them out, but yes, I'm just commenting because I want to focus on one here. So I have just used arrowed line. The image will be the same, the 00 to 55, like all the things we have taken same, only the line will be coming arrowed now. So it will be having an arrow here, you can see it's arrowed line. Now it's so simple to create the shapes on the image or any frame if you want to create. Now I'm just moving towards the next one, next shape. Let's take one more. So here like line we had taken, now I'm just going to take rectangle. So if you want to create a rectangle, for rectangle we have to take the vertex, so top left vertex. I'm just changing the values here. Let's take some random values I have taken. Here I'm taking 384 for the top left vertex, this is. And the next I'm just going to give let's say 510, 128, and this I'm giving for the bottom right vertex. Okay, so this will be for the bottom right vertex, and the color whichever we want we can take. So here I'm just taking, let's say let's change it to B, that is blue, and here the thickness it is. So thickness, so we can take whatever we like. So it's 10, that is also fine if you want to take 10. And here it's giving an error. Let's see why it's giving the error. Okay, see. So the error is coming in the image which we have taken image, and the error is coming in the, okay, it's saying that it's not available. So here it's all fine now. You can see that the parenthesis was missing actually. Let's run it now. This time the rectangle will be drawn on the vertex, or you can say the coordinates which we have given. So it is really thick. Let's make it a bit thinner. So I have taken it 5. So 5 is the now thickness of the rectangle outer edges, you can see. So this way you can create a rectangle also. Now if you are willing to create a filled rectangle, like this was the empty rectangle, if you want to create a filled rectangle, so there is no other function for that. You just have to use the same function, but when it comes to the thickness, like we have given thickness 5, that time we have to give -1. So the -1 will be working for the filled rectangle, and it will be coming filled here. You can see now the rectangle is coming filled this way. And these were about the two or three, you can say, like a line we have seen, a road line we have seen, empty hollow rectangle you can see we have seen, and we have also seen the filled rectangle. Now the next time I'm going to tell about the circle, that how you can draw the circle here. So for the circle, suppose I want the circle on the image. Now we have to take the center of the circle. Suppose we have taken 447 and 63. Let's say we have taken this, the center it is. Then 63 I am giving the radius, and then like here you can see the tooltip is coming. Don't get confused at what particular values for which particular thing. It is also coming there. So first of all the image, then the center, then the radius, and this time I am going to give the color. So color whichever you like you can take. I am just taking 255, 255. Let's say this one. So whichever combination you like. Then I am just taking here thickness 5. Okay. So let's save and run this one now, and the circle will be drawn this time. Here you can see a pink circle is drawn here on the coordinates what we have described here. You can see it's coming absolutely correct and nice as it should be. Here I'm just running this once again for you all. Okay, so now after this, if you want to draw a filled circle, so that also can be done. So here I'm just commenting this out. And for the filled circle, once again we are not having any another method. You just have to take -1 here, and if we are giving -1, so the circle will be coming filled this time. Let's run it and you will be seeing that the circle is coming filled. Now the circle is filled. So I hope you have understood these things. Like numpy is not getting used here, so I just remove it now. So like here you can see we have just created few shapes: line, arrowed line, rectangle, filled rectangle, hollow circle, and filled circle. So this way you can work on the shapes. There are many more shapes. I will be sharing the link through which you will be able to fetch them. And I hope this video was fine and you understood it. If in case you are having any confusion, you can drop the query in the comment section. And also like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to this, and also press the notification bell to get my latest uploads. See you in the next video.